We want the first four terms. So we got the first one. We need to find the second, the third, and the fourth. Everybody understand that? So the first one is root 5. And since r is root 2, we're going to multiply root 5 by root 2. Got it? So that's root 10. Leave it in radical form.
Wouldn't the next one be root 100?
It's root 20, right? But watch what happens with root 20. So the next one is root 10 times root 2, which is root 20. But 20 is 2 times 2 times 5 when you factor 20.
It would be 2 root 5.
It's 2 root 5, yes. Got it? And when you multiply that by root 2 again, it's 2 root 10. So let's say we were looking for the 3 missing terms in the middle. Well, remember how we did the scoop with the arithmetic? We're going to do the same, but this is geometric. So we're going to say 4 times r equals the second guy, times r equals the third guy, times r equals the fourth guy, and times r equals 64. Everybody see what I did?
Yep.
So that's 4 of them. So it's 4 times r to the fourth equals 64. You got it? Now, since you're multiplying r times r times r times r, when you did scoop with the d's, with the arithmetic, it was 4d. But when you do it with the geometric, it's r to the fourth. Got it? You have to remember that this is exponential. This is fast-growing stuff like cells dividing in your body, okay? So when I divide by 4 on both sides, I get r to the fourth equals 16, and you find the fourth root, because there's 4 in there, to undo the 4, and you get r equals 2.
Wait, so what did you do?
So once we find that r is 2, we just multiply the 4 by 2, get 8. 8 by 2, get 16. 16 times 2, get 32. And then make sure that 32 times 2 is 64, which it is. So that would be the answer.